Welcome back to part 2 of driving test app, the test route app number 2. Part 2 of number 2. And I'm not saying obviously that the vehicle in front is, completely wrong, okay? But I always like to say that, stay a bit closer to the left-hand side as we're coming down here. Obviously, if you've got a cyclist, the cyclists are kind of, protected by all of the bits and pieces that are in their cycle lane. And if there is a cyclist, looks like he's waving about it, you can come over to where the silver car is. But if I'm here and I'm on the left-hand side and I was stuck in traffic, which is quite, it's something that happens quite a lot down here. Stuck in traffic, and emergency services vehicle starts to come down, I know that I don't have to move too far over to let that emergency services vehicle get through. Now, obviously, I'm going to be going right, so I'm edging over towards that right-hand side, keeping an eye on the vehicle to my right-hand side, and as we get to this first arrow here, signalling. Off your gas, the lights may change. As soon as you decided it's not going to change, or it won't be safe for you to stop, start going again. See, off the gas. You don't want to race up to the vehicle in front and then have to slow right down. Okay, just off the gas, let the car slow down on its own. By the time you get there, hopefully the lights have changed, the vehicle in front's paying attention, and just moving off. So, the traffic lights up in the road ahead, and we're turning right onto Fountain Road. The lights, I've just changed to red, this one from red to green, but they might change again, so keep an eye on that mirror as I'm approaching, and just coming off the gas as I'm approaching this first arrow, signalling, slowing down. Obviously you're going to have to wait for that vehicle, but if I don't slow down enough, then if I went a bit too fast there, I wouldn't have been able to time it right so that I could just go. Coming into 20 miles an hour zone at this point. The 20 mile an hour zone has actually changed. It's just kind of more or less straight away, whereas it was like a little bit more up here near this pedestrian crossing earlier. So be aware of that, that change. What's going on with this van? Is it going to move off at any point in time? So covering my brake and clutch as I'm going past it, making sure there's nothing going on. Mirror checks to my left hand side as I go past it and come back in. Again, park car, mirror check. Easing off the gas, we've got a blind bend on our right hand side, just off the gas there at this point. Cover the brake and clutch before I start coming in. And again, we've got another giveaway sign here. Alright, be aware. It's left here. Okay. Be aware, anybody approaching, coming out of this road, they could see that sign that says priority pedestrian over oncoming vehicles. They might start pulling out, even though it's your priority at that point to keep on going. They may pull out. going to be going right, mirrors down Northumberland Ave. Next road on the left, Westmoreland Street. Off the gas, we really can't see down this road. We don't know if there's anything parked there. Slow it right down to about 10 miles an hour. Like I say again, off of everything. At this point in time, I've got nothing on my, no accelerator, no brake, no clutch. I've slowed it right down, kept it into second, and it just rolls out. Then back onto that gas. Going left to Main Street. Now, if you come out of here, it is a bit of a tricky one. You have got a lot of like stuff that you cannot see past on the right hand side a lot of the time, especially if it's quite busy. Make sure you come up nice and slowly. Obviously there, you know what I mean, it obviously wasn't, you know, very busy at all. I could see quite well, but you know, there is a lot. It's one of those areas where people just don't slow down enough. Going right at the end onto Fountain Road again. Again, we've got a restricted view over to our left hand side just here. Can't see down the road enough, and cars do come up. We've got a good view on that right hand side, and people do tend to kind of like think, oh well, I've got a good view there, and they go a little bit too fast. Slow it right down so you're coming up to it and into a crawl. Same here again. Gonna go left onto Wincolm Lee. Off the gas, be aware of anyone cutting over the white line in the middle of the road. Holding the brake and clutch, nice and easy. And as soon as you decide it's safe to go, get going. Keep an eye on the vehicles behind you at that point, because they can come round that corner as you're emerging out quite quickly. It's another point where, you know, if you decide to go, get going if you need to. Keep an eye on the vehicle behind, nice and slow. They were coming up quite quick, so you want to slow it down so they can see your brake lights. And again, here, I'd always put my handbrake on at that point. And we're in a 20 mile an hour zone again. Nice and easy. And this is a point where, you know, there's a lot of hassle can come from here, especially if there's bigger vehicles coming through. The curb's lowered quite a lot there, so if you go over it a little bit trying to get through because there's a bigger vehicle, don't worry too much about it. Again, straight on at this roundabout, off the gas, can go over towards the left, looking, making sure, and swing it to that right hand side, swing it back to that left hand side. As you cross those your hands, don't worry about it. Don't jump the gun. Okay, getting up to 30 miles an hour zone as we speak here. Make sure, mirror check, and the vehicle behind isn't about to overtake me. Make sure of that before you start accelerating too much. Roundabout, we're going to go left. Off gas, obviously we're giving way to the right hand side of this particular one. A lot of people come up to this and just kind of stop for the vehicles on the left hand side. Just a bit of brain fog. And we're going to be going left onto Clough Road. About here, just before that turn on the left hand side, off the gas. mirrors, signals, slowing it down about 15 as you get up closer to 10. Good look down that road, nothing coming. Be aware that towards those blue bridges, the only vehicles that can be coming are those in the right hand side lane. The left lane can only turn left, but be aware of anyone coming in towards the car wash. People make mistakes all the time, and even if you know that they can only turn left, be aware that they could be coming towards you. Okay, so that is the end of a second test route. Okay, I hope that helps. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Everything helps, and I will see you again shortly for the next one. Okay, see you later, bye.